What's up, guys? It's AdrianOctavia, and I literally forgot to do an intro. So, y'all, it's going to be a voiceover today for the intro. Okay, so what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do y'all ball cap method for y'all lace wigs. So first of all, I start off by using HD wig caps. That's all I use. Those are the best ones. It blends better with the wig lace. So the first step is to cut out your ear tabs on both sides, y'all. Don't you forget it, the person you fell won't ever do. For reasons, only because you said it. So right here, you would just want to cut it down the middle so that it loosens up so you can see better. I like to go on with my gummy hairspray first. You can get it off my Amazon storefront or in your local beauty supply. It holds really good, y'all. For the blow drying process, I just want to say make sure you use cool or warm. Don't use hot because hot will make the ball cap roll up, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna go on with one of my favorites, the even spray. Even spray holds so good. I put this on for the extra strength of the cap, y'all. You need this. And it's also gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront, so make sure y'all check down below for all the things I used in this video. Okay, so right here you just want to cut it all the way, and then you're just going to make sure that you literally cut all of the excess like cap that you don't need off. Right here, I just wet me a paper towel and wipe off the extra product. Right here, I just simply take the rest of the cap and just tie it in a knot and then tuck it underneath. Right here, you're just going to see me going back in with the gummy hairspray on the lining of the cap just to make it blend more where you see that little white at. Style get wild, old school coming down in a different color wheel. Picture perfect, you might want to take a flick. Call up Daddy, tell him pop the bottle, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get.
Ludicrous on the track, get back, tricks with on the lack of text and steel. Same right every time, hot song dumped on, cause he already got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Drunk battling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, things crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is cool.
Round here we fighting slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk up in the club we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies back it up. Getting drunk up in the club we get low. Round here we fighting slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk up in the club we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies back it up. Getting drunk up in the club we get low. DJ Davis.
They throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it.
Okay, so right here I just start taking my makeup and I just start placing it on the edge of the cap.
You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave the side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things we try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life, cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You're a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited.
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the makeup I use. I use Ruby Kiss 339, that's the color. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.